guys, my name is Byron with Bug Out with Byron.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Thursday morning, and it's probably about 8:30 in the morning, because that's when I post the video. However, you might be watching it at a later time, which is perfectly okay. As you can see in the title, we're gonna go over my bug out bag. We're gonna do a bug out bag loadout. First things first, what the heck is a bug out bag, you might ask? Well, a bob bag or bug out bag consists of equipment, tools, gear, things that you might need or want in a survival type situation where you are grabbing one bag and you're leaving. What does that mean? Why would you leave? Well, possibly for numerous reasons, like your mom asked you to grab the turkey out of the freezer on Thanksgiving and you have all your family coming in and you forgot, and your life is in danger because when your mom comes home, she is not gonna like that the turkey is still frozen in the freezer. Maybe guys, maybe that has happened to me, maybe not. Also a reason, the government could be trying to take away your rights, which is illegal, but the government sometimes does things that are illegal, like taking away our Second Amendment right or taking away our First Amendment right. So they could be after you. Red flag law, where somebody says, oh, I'm scared because Joe Smo has guns and he's dangerous, and the government therefore quote unquote legally can take your firearms from you, which makes no sense because we have the Second Amendment right, which says that we have the right to bear arms, and that right shall not be infringed upon by the government. So guys, we have numerous reasons why you would need to bug out. Possibly a pandemic like the COVID-19 turns everyone crazy and they're trying to come and rob your house or trying to kill you, or you get mixed in with the wrong crowd. Numerous reasons of why you could bug out or why you would need to bug out, but it is a bag that you bug out normally around 72 hours, 3 to 5 days, and it's supposed to help you survive with mild comfort, but mostly survival, because it's supposed to be a lightweight bag that you take in a moment's notice. So let's get right into what my bug out bag consists of. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is tired up in here, and first things first, I don't know what the first thing is gonna be. Let's go with what's on the outside. So we have my Fixed Scar X7 axe. If I can get it out. There we go. Set this down right here. Well, all right, my bad guys. First, let's go over what my pack is. This is a medium Alice pack with the frame on it. I would highly recommend the frame because it helps distribute the weight a lot more, and you have a lot more versatility with the frame versus if you just get the bag. If you're on a budget, just getting the bag, no issue at all, guys. I started with just the bag, and actually about a year ago I just got the frame for it, so works perfectly fine. Medium Alice pack. The reason I got the medium one versus a small one, because it's a little bit bigger. I think it holds around 40 liters. I'm pretty sure, don't quote me on that, guys. The large one is good. It just is a little bit heavier whenever you load everything up, and you want your gear to fit nicely in there. You don't want it to be overstuffed, but you also don't want to have a lot of extra room and to where it sags. So for me personally, the medium Alice pack was a perfect choice. So we got our Fixed Scar axe. I leave it on top with the straps. That way it's easily accessible. Then we have our military e-tool, which we have done some videos on. If you want to see any of the cutting stuff, Dawson will post a picture of what the cutting tools looks like. It was one of my first couple videos. It was going over the 5 C's of survival. So we have a military e-tool on the outside. Then we have our canteen, which is using like a molly strap. This is a Pathfinder canteen. And this is actually not the whole package it comes with. So it comes with the canteen, the fire stove cover, and a little nestling cup in here. Guys, this is freaking awesome. So that's part of my cooking kit, as well as right here. It came in the Pathfinder kit. It's some fire starter stuff. It's like a waxy material almost. Again, guys, easily accessible because it's our water source. And so we definitely don't want that to be in the middle of our pack or in the bottom of our pack. Then we can't get to it as easy. So there is part of my water source is my Pathfinder canteen. I'm not gonna take this off, guys, but this is our tarp. It is a 10 by 10 tarp. It's just a cheap one I bought. Inside we have a lot better tarp. You might have seen in my overnight survival with Noah and Casey. So then if we turn it just a little bit, we have our fire kit, which is again attached by a molly attachment. So here we have a bunch of different things. I won't really go into that. If y'all do want me to go over my fire kit and do another fire video, by all means, comment in the section below or email me using the email right here, bugoutwithbyron@gmail.com. All right, funny story, guys. A long time ago, Mom got me this. And it is officially called a mommy hook. Not joking, guys. But we got Sharpied that out because I didn't want it to be a mommy hook. But it's a very good attachment. I keep all my spare carabiners on there for whatever needs I have them for. As well as we keep our Mora Companion knife. Again, guys, we keep it for easy access right there. But we'll probably just leave that on. Then we have our 3 pouches right here. Our first pouch, we have our fixed scar, or I'm sorry guys, the Laplander, Baco Laplander saw. Very good beginner saw, guys, very cheap. Not as bad quality as a Walmart brand, but also not as expensive as a Silky. It's just a happy medium. All of our tent stakes or tarp stakes. We have our life straw. We have our bandana. And then we have our sharpening puck for our axe, as well as another hook, and our sharpening tool for our knife. In the middle pouch, we have our leather gloves, a secondary bandana. This is like a huge bandana almost. Use as like a scarf or a face covering, as well as we have 2 hygiene kits that include soap, shampoo, comb, toothpaste, toothbrush, just our essentials for hygiene. In this, we have our headlamp, as well as we have, normally I carry spare batteries in that bag, and then we have our flashlight. All right, so that's everything from the middle pouch. Now we'll get into the big pouch. So in our big pouch, we have a waterproof bag that my dad had got me for Christmas a couple years ago. Can't remember the size of it, I'm not gonna lie, guys. But I use this as a liner. That way, if it rains and I can't get my poncho out in time or my rain gear, then at least the stuff inside here is protected. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I do apologize because whenever I was putting our pouch stuff inside, the video actually got cut off without me knowing, and I really don't feel like taking all this stuff back out just to put it all back in. So we'll kind of recap on it. In this pouch we have all of our lighting stuff. In this pouch we have our leather gloves and our bandanas and our schmog and our hygiene kit. In this we have our tent stakes, our sharpening puck, our sharpening tool for the knives, and then we have our Laplander, Baco Laplander saw, as well as our life straw. On the outside, we have our mommy hook with all of our carabiners, as well as we put our fire starter right below it. Then we have our Pathfinder canteen. We have that on the other side. Then we have our axe, goes right on top for again easy access. And then we have our military e-tool. And we'll put the other side. All right, guys, we'll catch you back inside. You gonna say hi? Do you love Daddy? Daddy. Show him your teeth. Where's your nose? Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Where's it? That's your hair. Where's your piggies? Where's your belly? Your belly. Where's your ears? Good job. Let's go back inside. Come here. Come here.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. We're going bye-bye.
You ready? Let's go. Da-na, 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 da-na.
Do you baby shark? Do it.
Baby shark, do 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 do. No. You're not gonna do it? Bark, bark, bark.
Come on. Stay spoiled. Say nap time.
You wanna go for a nap?
Say yes, please.
Please. There is beautiful Tiffany. And then we're gonna bust Mom out one more time. We're gonna show the plants that have not been planted. Mom, KB, y'all are slacking over here. Oh, so guys, Mom cleared out the garage. And this, yes, is a two-door garage. However, Mom says it's only one-car garage for some reason. To the video where it is a two-car garage. And she was not very happy with me.
No. When you want to play some horses, you can have the garage. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Oh,
They fit perfectly.
You. What? Say, Daddy. Say no, no. Tell Daddy. Say no, no.
But, come on, KB and Mom. You gotta plant those. Guys, after I said that, I might have to bug out. Because I might be getting in trouble. And then our beautiful dog, Tank. That is sometimes not very well behaved. But we love him anyway.
What do you want?
Donna,
Juice?
Donna, 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 Donna. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bug Out with Byron out. Say it, go like this. Bug Out with Byron out.